California's LPS Act, including WIC 5352, provides a legal framework for appointing a conservator to care for individuals who are gravely disabled due to mental health disorders. A conservatorship is a court action where a conservator is appointed to care for someone unable to meet basic needs like food, clothing, or shelter. The goal is to protect and support the individual, not to punish them. WIC 5352 allows for a conservator's appointment when less restrictive options have failed. A person is gravely disabled if they cannot provide for basic needs due to a mental disorder. The LPS Act was created to end indefinite commitments to state institutions, emphasizing community-based treatment. It ensures any restriction of liberty is justified, temporary, and regularly reviewed by the court. The Act reflects a shift in mental health care, balancing protection with individual rights. Before the LPS Act, individuals had few legal rights and could be indefinitely committed. The conservatorship system is a structured, rights-focused alternative. The path to an LPS conservatorship often starts with a temporary hold, like a 72-hour 5,150 hold. If the person remains a danger or gravely disabled, the hold can extend to a 14-day 5,250 hold. These holds provide immediate crisis intervention and stabilization. A temporary conservatorship follows if the person is still gravely disabled, lasting about 30 days. This period allows for a thorough investigation to determine if a permanent conservatorship is needed. A permanent conservatorship lasts 1 year and requires annual court review. This ensures no indefinite conservatorship without justification. A permanent conservatorship is for persistent conditions preventing basic needs. The investigator's report details the person's mental health and ability to manage daily life. If evidence shows the person can't survive safely without support, a 1-year conservatorship is established. The annual renewal process safeguards against indefinite conservatorship. It forces regular re-evaluation of the person's condition and needs. The system ensures conservatorship is a temporary support measure. Establishing a permanent LPS conservatorship follows a strict legal process to protect individual rights. It begins after a temporary hold if the person is still gravely disabled. The treatment facility recommends conservatorship to the Public Guardian's Office, which petitions the court. The court appoints an attorney for the proposed conservatee and sets a hearing date. The investigator reviews medical records and interviews relevant parties. The court hearing is central, with the proposed conservatee present and entitled to a jury trial. Evidence is presented by both sides, with the county advocating for conservatorship. The judge or jury must be convinced beyond a reasonable doubt of grave disability. If established, a conservator is appointed for 1 year with specific powers. The process ensures the individual's rights are protected throughout. The Public Guardian's Office plays a crucial role in the LPS conservatorship process. They investigate the need for conservatorship and may be appointed as conservator if no one else is available. The proposed conservatee has rights, including a lawyer and the right to a jury trial. Even under conservatorship, many personal rights are retained unless specifically removed by a judge. The least restrictive alternative principle ensures minimal intrusion. The system balances the state's duty to protect with individual liberty. Procedural safeguards ensure fair and just exercise of state power. Peer support plays a vital role in conservatorship cases, offering unique support from lived experience. Peer specialists help individuals navigate the system and articulate their wishes. They assist in developing wellness plans as alternatives to conservatorship. This support fosters agency and self-worth during a challenging time. The LPS Act mandates annual review of conservatorships. The conservator must petition for renewal, prompting a new legal process. The court evaluates the conservatee's progress and considers less restrictive options. Annual reviews ensure conservatorship remains temporary and necessary. The system prevents conservatorship from becoming a life sentence. It ensures ongoing evaluation of the individual's situation and needs. LPS conservatorship under WIC 5352 is a legal tool to protect those unable to care for themselves. It provides necessary support for stabilization and recovery. However, it restricts fundamental rights, requiring careful ethical consideration. The LPS framework balances safety with individual autonomy. It questions the necessity of conservatorship and seeks less restrictive alternatives. The goal is recovery and restoration of rights, not indefinite management. A compassionate, rights-focused approach is essential from all involved. The system remains accountable to its purpose, to help, heal, and restore.